Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off my tinker day. Going to find out if my folks down here at You Pull and Pay are going to follow through on their word and sell me that red 850R. You know, I really don't like seeing T5s crushed, especially if they hadn't been in an accident. I really don't want to see a R lost. You know, I know too many people that would appreciate and take care of an R, especially a wagon. So the one I seen in the salvage yard yesterday, they said they was gonna let me buy it today. I am on my way to see if they're gonna follow through, and hopefully they didn't do no more damage to it moving it around. Now, there was a slim chance that I thought that vehicle might have been my buddy Miguel's car that I rebuilt the engine on, replaced the cylinder head, did some other things. So I actually went by Miguel's yesterday and he confirmed that that is not his car. So that's good. He still has his, which I think is a 96, and this one is a 97. So let me get down here and see if they got it set out for me. Boys, just in time.
Good. Okay.
It's in the trunk, should be in the back.
How you doing, bro? I know you.
Good. Little persistence, a little bit of begging. Heck, I even proposed to the manager, try to make sure I got this thing, and here it is, rocking and rolling. I got to go check something out and run up to the place I'm having it towed to. I found out that the car came from a small town that was pretty close to Albuquerque, about 40 miles away, and that area was hit pretty hard with hail a year or so ago. So it's possible that this thing has hail damage. It looks like it's been sitting somewhere for a while, and if you look at the hood, you can see little dimples. Hard to see them with it dirty, but we can see them on the angle. It looks like it's got some hail damage on this fender, and the roof looks pretty good. I don't see any evidence on the roof, but it's got to be polished up. We put a tool on the crank turned nice and easy, so the engine is not locked up. Looks like they bumped the fender. We need to pull that out. The seats are not in bad shape. We don't see any tears in the front seats. However, somebody cut the back seat somehow. Other than that, the seats are not torn up. I'm about to get under there and look to see if it has the Neva mat still on it. No fancy things. The rims look in decent shape. That strut over there has improper hardware on it. This one over here is not put on correctly. So somebody's been tinkering with the struts. It's got some kind of sticker on here where somebody did a timing belt in 2008. So we're not sure where that was done, but I'm gonna pull the timing belt cover. I'm gonna cover that up to try to spare that of dirt, and let's look under it and see if we can tell what kind of shocks and struts it still has. We're going down under.
97 Volvo 850R.
And somebody has replaced the Neva mats. Looks like they replaced the springs as well. Not sure if they're lowering springs or not, but looks like the Neva mats are gone. See if they put a hole in the fuel tank like they're supposed to, and that looks like it right there. Not 100% sure. I'm gonna try to stick a screwdriver in there. I got arrows on it for some reason, so that can be plugged. They took the Neva mats off. The shocks are kind of rough, so let me see what else going on here. So somebody put that nut on upside down, but the spring seat actually looks good. So I'm gonna flip that around, put the nut back on it. Might check the other side. The other side looks like it's missing this nut, but I got one in the car. Anyway, we're gonna back away from here, go take care of some stuff, and probably assess this situation and start restoration on this thing soon. The weight of the car has the spring compressed, so it's really no big deal to take this loose with the car sitting on the ground. So I'll flip this over, put it the right way, and assess everything it needs and work on getting it right. Not sure why it was parked yet and sent to the salvage yard, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, here's the hail damage on this thing. You can see it this way. So it'll have to have some treatment done to it to get it right, but other than that, it'll be a nice shiny red. A couple of engine covers for my brother-in-law's Jag. So I'm gonna try to wash these down real quick with some oil eater, and if this dang windstorm don't get me. But these things are kind of hard to find. His broke in my hand pulling them off one day. But hey, found some good ones in the yard the other day. So I also wrote a letter to the previous owner of that R, because the owner's manual package is missing. So I'm going to drop that off at the post office. Maybe they'll get that stuff to me. Nice to have, but I didn't have luck getting the ones back for Panther. So let's see how this goes. Alright, got that sprayed up. Now I'm gonna rinse it off. Conversation with Aaron, the tuner, talked about this miles per gallon trip meter. I filled Panther up. I'm gonna run it about 200 miles around town here, and then I'm going to calculate the mileage according to scan gauge, trip computer, and manually with a calculator. So let's see how that runs in 200 miles. And this is before my tune. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.